Swing in Seattle, solo jazz 2, Shim Sham variations. Thanks so much for joining us today as we celebrate World Lindy Hop Day and Frankie Manning's birthday. We have our initial step, which goes right foot, right foot, you double it up. We put a stomp off in here, so now we can go ee-ah, ee-ah, ee-ah-ka-dee-ah. We also, look at that one more time, goes ooh-ah, ooh-ah, ooh-ya-ka-doo-ah. So we're dropping the foot down, rocking, and then dropping it again. It's a little bit of a ball change in there. We had our full break, which we normally think of going step, touch, back, back, front, front. We put a little open close on this, going step, touch, back, back, open close. We also looked at the pushing section. The pushing normally going, and you push it, and you push it, and you cross over. But we put a little kick slide in there going, and you push it, and you push it, and you cross over. For the tachyani, we took a look at different heights. We could bring it up, going 5, 6, 7, and 8. Poop, heat, heat, heat. Or we can think about dropping it down and letting the wrists kind of roll in the rhythm of our body, going 5, 6, 7, Looking at the half break, we put a little clap in there going 5, 6, 7, half break, half break. For the boogies, we did a couple of Frankie variations. Going into boogie forward, we did a little open close, which goes ee, 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 ee. We also did quivers or breeze the knees, going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last piece is when we did Shorty George, we allowed the Shorty George on the second one to kind of walk off the floor, which you go 5, 6, 7, Shorty George. And we have a little bit of an exit. And then maybe the very last little note was when we did boogie backs, we took the kick away and just dropped it down with only the ball change. The Shim Sham, Solo Jazz 2. Thanks so much for joining us, and happy birthday, Frankie.